Hello there! In this video, I want to share with you one instrument from my internship place, which is related enough with my major. But before we are going further, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Aika Sahril from 11th grade of Chemical Industrial Engineering 1. So, let's go! The instrument I want to share here is called PYCNOMETER. At this point, you might curious, what is PYCNOMETER? PYCNOMETER is basically a small bottle with a known weight and volume with a type different materials, commonly glass. But the one I'm using here is made of metal, but the main function is still the same, to measure the density of liquids by comparing how heavy a substance is for a certain volume. Even though it looks simple, it plays a big role in science experiments, quality control, and even research. Now let's talk about the feature it has. 100 cc means it can hold 100 millimeters of liquid. Para 200 grams means its empty weight is standardized at 200 grams, making calculation easier. And the stopper is designed to fit tightly so there's no leakage when we are weighing it. First, fill the PYCNOMETER with the liquid you want to test until it's full. The liquid I use here is water. Next, close it with the stopper so the volume stays exactly 100 cc. Then weight the PYCNOMETER with the liquid on an analytic balance. We can see the weight of 299 grams is the total weight of the PYCNOMETER weight and volume weight. So, 299 minus 200 is 99. That means the volume weight is 99 grams. Now I will show you how we calculate the density. Density is m per v, where m is mass, which is volume weight, and v is volume of the PYCNOMETER. So 99 divided by 100 is 0.99. So the density of water is 0.99 grams per milliliter. Now let's look at the actual density of water. Density of water is around 0.97 until 1 gram per milliliter, depends on the temperature. With the results of the measurement before, it states that the PYCNOMETER is able to provide accurate density result. So, my opinion after this measurement, this PYCNOMETER is a very useful tool because it provides a reliable way to measure density of liquid. Also, it's simple to use because it has a fixed volume 100 ml, which is make us easier to find out the result. These are some of the advantage and disadvantage of this instrument. The advantages is strong and unbreakable compared to glass. Stable volume makes calculation easier. And the disadvantage, it cannot be used in industrial and pharmaceutical fields because it's made of metal, making it impossible to maintain its sterility stability. And then we've come to the end. That's my review about the metal PYCNOMETER with a tare of 200 grams and a volume of 100 cc. Even with its strengths and weaknesses, it's still a very useful tool for accurate density measurements. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was helpful. See you again!